The average SUV costs $10,000 a year to maintain. Repairs, insurance, fuel, depreciation. It adds up fast. But here's the twist. Some SUVs laugh at repair bills. They don't break, they don't beg for parts. They just keep going, quietly crossing 400,000, even 500,000 miles, with nothing more than oil changes, filters, and common sense. These are the rare machines that outlast owners, defy age, and save drivers tens of thousands over time. They're not flashy. They're not fragile. They're built with engineering discipline, not marketing hype. Today, we're counting down the 9 SUVs that never quit, the ones that protect your wallet, your time, and your sanity from endless surprise repairs. And trust me, the deeper we go, the more shocking it gets. Because number 1, and the bonus list at the end, feature 2 SUVs that can drain your bank account faster than crypto in 2022, ready to buy once and drive forever. Let's go. 1. Subaru Outback, the family tank. Back in the 90s, wagons were dying until Subaru pulled a masterstroke. They lifted a family wagon, added cladding, and gave it symmetrical all-wheel drive. Just like that, the Outback was born, half car, half SUV, and completely unstoppable. It became the quiet hero of bad weather, dirt roads, and long family drives. While most SUVs beg for repairs after 150,000 miles, the Outback just shrugs and keeps rolling. 200,000. 300,000 miles is routine when owners follow simple maintenance mechanics, call it the family tank, for a reason. It rarely breaks, it handles snow like a pro, and it's one of the few vehicles where safety and reliability actually share the same DNA. Insurance companies love it too. Top crash ratings mean lower premiums year after year. But if you want the SUV that defines dependability, one brand still owns that crown too. Toyota RAV4, the everyday millionaire. The Toyota RAV4 isn't just the best-selling SUV in America. It's the smartest financial move you can park in your driveway. While other cars lose half their value the moment they leave the lot, the RAV4 behaves like a savings bond on wheels. Its reputation for reliability is so strong that used models often sell for nearly as much as brand-new competitors. And the numbers back it up. RAV4s routinely cross 300,000 miles without a single major repair. Owners brag about still running their 2010s on original drivetrains' low-maintenance costs, bulletproof engines, and Toyota's legendary resale value make this SUV a long-term investment that actually pays you back. Sure, it's not a thrill ride. The 2.5-liter engine is built for endurance, not adrenaline, but it's a vehicle you buy once and forget about. But what if you want luxury without the luxury breakdowns? 3. Acura RDX, the hidden luxury hack. Everyone dreams of driving a luxury SUV, but few realize you can have one without the repair nightmares. Enter the Acura RDX, the SUV that hides Honda Pilot DNA under a sleek, premium shell. From 2013 to 2018, it used Honda's bulletproof 3.5-liter V6 and a proven 6-speed automatic that mechanics trust like gospel. It's basically a Honda Pilot in a tuxedo. Leather seats, quiet cabin, upscale tech. Yet it runs on the same low-maintenance reliability that's made Honda famous for decades. Here's the kicker. A used RDX often costs less than a Toyota RAV4, yet gives you more power, more comfort, and far fewer visits to the shop. Even insurance companies reward its safety ratings with surprisingly low premiums. It's a luxury badge that doesn't bleed your wallet. Still think luxury can't last? Wait till you meet the SUV that made mechanics unemployed. 4. Hyundai Santa Fe, the warranty warrior. A decade ago, nobody took Hyundai seriously. It was the brand people mocked, until the Santa Fe changed everything. Today, this SUV is proof that redemption is real. Hyundai built it tough, backed it with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and quietly transformed from punchline to powerhouse. That warranty alone makes it one of the safest long-term bets on the road. A built-in extended warranty that most car makers would charge thousands for. Real-world owners report 200,000 miles and counting with nothing but oil, tires, and brakes. The Santa Fe blends comfort, economy, and peace of mind. And it's winning over skeptics who once wouldn't touch a Hyundai. Fuel economy is solid, resale keeps rising, and even insurance rates stay low. The brand everyone once mocked is now the smartest buy on the lot. But if you want the SUV that outlives entire generations, look no further than the next one. 5. Lexus LX, the unkillable king. If reliability had a royal bloodline, the Lexus LX would wear the crown underneath the leather seats, and luxury trim hides the heart of a Toyota Land Cruiser. A machine engineered to conquer deserts, climb mountains, and keep running long after its odometer gives up around the world. These beasts have crossed 400,000, even 1 million miles, hauling families, explorers, and soldiers without breaking stride. It's not just tough, it's timeless. Sure, it drinks fuel like a bodybuilder drinks protein, but what you get in return is bulletproof reliability. While European SUVs rack up repair bills the size of mortgages, the LX just keeps going, quietly, confidently, forever. Even used models command jaw-dropping prices because everyone knows, once you buy one, you may never need another SUV again. If you're enjoying this countdown of SUVs that outlast their owners, hit subscribe, because the next one proves style doesn't have to break down with time. This next SUV looks sleek, drives sharp, and still laughs at 200,000 miles. 6. Mazda CX-5, the driver's reliable SUV. Finally, a fun SUV that doesn't punish you for loving cars. The Mazda CX-5 proves you don't have to choose between style and survivability. Most compact SUVs feel like appliances. Bland, forgettable, functional. But the CX-5? It actually drives like a car you want to be in. Sharp handling, elegant design, and reliability that earns a 4.5 out of 5 on RepairPal. And here's what really sets it apart. While most rivals use fragile CVT transmissions, Mazda stuck with the traditional 6-speed automatic. That single decision saves owners thousands in future repairs. Real-world CX-5s routinely glide past 200,000 miles, and owners still brag about smooth rides and low maintenance costs. It's proof that driving enjoyment and dependability can live in the same garage. Finally, a compact SUV built for drivers, not just commuters. But if you want true dependability with safety that's nearly perfect, look north to Subaru. 7. Subaru Forester, the loyal legend. Some SUVs brag about power, others brag about luxury, but the Subaru Forester quietly earns something far rarer: loyalty. It's not flashy, it's not loud, it's simply faithful. Consumer Reports gave it an astonishing 98 out of 100 reliability score, a number almost no SUV in history has matched. And while early models had shaky CVTs, Subaru fixed that long ago. Change the fluid every 30,000 miles, and this SUV will outlive most garages. Owners proudly post photos of odometers hitting 250,000, even 300,000 miles. And these cars just keep going, safely, steadily, and confidently. Add in standard all-wheel drive, top-tier safety ratings, and resale value that refuses to drop, and you've got one of the most dependable companions on the road ever owned a Subaru. Tell me below how many miles yours made it. I'll bet it's still running. But the SUV that beats them all isn't from Toyota or Honda. It's their humble little brother 8, Honda CR-V and HR-V, the twin titans. Meet the twin titans of dependability, the Honda CR-V and HR-V. The CR-V has been the family favorite for decades, a crossover so consistent that some early 2000s models are now crossing 500,000 miles. On their original engines, that's 500,000 miles of commutes, road trips, and school runs without ever seeing a tow truck. The HR-V, its smaller sibling, carries the same DNA. Honda's legendary engineering, stellar fuel economy, and build quality that refuses to age. At up to 34 miles per gallon highway, it's the SUV that treats your wallet kindly even as it racks up the miles. Both hold their resale value like gold bars. You can drive them for 10 years and still sell for thousands. It's peace of mind disguised as practicality. Together, they define what it means to buy once and drive forever. But before you sign the papers, now for the truth most dealerships won't tell you. Two SUVs you should never trust with your money. First, the Jeep Wrangler. It's iconic, it's adventurous, and it's a maintenance nightmare. Owners report endless electrical issues, oil leaks, and the infamous death wobble. A violent shake that turns every highway drive into a gamble. Add weak crash ratings and sky-high insurance, and that dream off-roader becomes a rolling money pit. Then there's the Ford Explorer. Looks perfect on paper, right? But under the hood, transmission failures, water pump leaks, and electrical glitches have drained thousands from unsuspecting families. Don't fall for the badge. These bestsellers could cost you thousands in heartbreak and repairs, because now you've just discovered the 9 SUVs that protect you from that fate. The real buy once, drive forever machines built to outlast time itself. These SUVs don't just last, they free you from fear. No more surprise repairs, no more late night breakdowns, just peace of mind mile after mile. Each one of these machines proves that reliability isn't luck. It's the result of smart engineering and smarter choices. You've seen the models that protect your wallet, your safety, and your sanity. The ones that quietly outlive the hype. If this video saved you from a bad buy, subscribe, because next week we're ranking 10 cars that secretly cost more than they're worth. You'll want to see which ones are draining drivers dry. Now tell me, which SUV would you trust for the next 20 years? Drop it below. Your answer might surprise the crowd, because in the end, reliability isn't just a feature. It's a legacy. You need to know which SUVs will bleed you dry.